Do you know there's a mutual fund that doesn't follow the market trends? Instead, it goes against it. When most investors are busy selling and exiting a stock, this fund starts looking for hidden values in those ignored opportunities. Welcome to Fund Ka Funda. I'm Akanksha, and today we are talking about the SBI Contra Fund. A contra fund, as the name suggests, follow a contrarian strategy. It invests against the prevailing market sentiment. When a fundamentally strong company is overlooked and its price is falling due to a negative sentiment, a contra fund sees it as a potential opportunity and invests with a long-term view. In this video, we'll understand the strategy of SBI Contra Fund, review its past performance, and see what type of investors it is best suited for. Let's begin by understanding what makes this fund unique. SBI Contra Fund is managed by SBI Mutual Fund, one of the India's most trusted and established asset management companies. It was launched in 1999, making it the oldest contra fund in India as well as one of the largest in its category, managing more than rupees 48,000 crores in assets. This is an open-ended equity mutual fund and currently it's being managed by Mr. Dinesh Balachandran, who has been managing this fund for almost 8 years. Its benchmark is the BSE 500 Total Return Index, which represents the performance of top 500 companies listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange and is used to compare the fund's overall performance. Let's see the past performance. As you can see on the table displayed on your screen, in the last 1 year, the fund has delivered a return of around 12.08%. Over 3 years, the fund has generated an annualized return of approximately 20%. And in the last 5 years, the fund has delivered an impressive 20.49% annualized return, which is considered very strong for this category. If we look at the performance since launch, the fund has given its NFO investors an annualized return of 14.75%, reflecting strong long-term wealth creation. Now let's compare this performance with its benchmark and category average. The BSE 500 TRI has delivered 13.47% return in the last 1 year, 16.21% return in 3 years, 13.23% annual return in last 5 years. If we compare it with the category average, 1 year return is 14.63%, 3 years it has given 20.77%, and in the 5 years it has delivered 17.56% returns. This comparison shows that in the short term, especially over 1 year, the fund has slightly underperformed. However, in the 3-year and 5-year period, the fund has clearly outperformed both the benchmark and the category average. This highlights that the fund's real strength lies in the long-term investing. But here we only discuss the trailing returns, which compare performance between one fixed start date and end date. So we need to see the rolling returns as well. Rolling returns calculate returns across many overlapping periods and then average them. This helps us to see how consistently the investment performed and how often it delivered good or bad returns. Just a reminder, past performance does not indicate future performance of the fund. Let's see the rolling returns on Excel sheet again. Here we have 5-year rolling return data for all the 3 funds along with the performance of the category and the BSE 500 TRI benchmark. Among all the funds, SBI Contra Fund clearly stands out in 5-year rolling returns, delivering an average of 29.92%, making it the top performer in this comparison. It is followed by Kotak Contra Fund at 23.91% and Invesco Fund at 23.24%. When we compare this with the benchmark, which delivered 19.08% and the category average of 25.52%, we can see SBI Contra Fund has outperformed both the benchmark and the category comfortably. This shows that SBI Contra Fund has been the most consistent wealth creator over the 5-year rolling period. Now let's understand the fund's investment approach. The fund managers follow a contrarian strategy, focusing on undervalued companies that the market is currently ignoring. The idea is simple. Once the market recognizes the true value of these businesses, the stock prices can see significant growth. Now let's look at the fund's portfolio. Currently, 82.46% of the fund's assets are invested in equities. The remaining portion is invested in derivatives, REITs, and cash. This confirms that it is a primarily equity-oriented fund. With equities, a major allocation is towards large-cap companies, which are established and stable businesses. The fund holds stocks spread across different sectors, providing good diversification. Top sectors include financial services, oil, gas and consumable fuels, information technology, healthcare, metals, and mining. Top holdings include HDFC Bank, Reliance, Biocon, Punjab National Bank, Tata Steel. Before investing, it's important to understand the risk profile. This fund invests in unpopular and overlooked stocks where current market sentiment may be negative, but the companies have strong fundamentals and long-term potential. Because of this strategy, returns may take time to reflect. During fast-rising markets, contra funds may appear slow in the short term, but over the long term, they can deliver strong results. You can also see its risk ratios on your screen. The fund's standard deviation is 21.98%, which is almost the same as benchmark, meaning the fund's return fluctuate almost the same amount as the benchmark. The fund's Sharpe ratio is 1.43, which is much better than the benchmark. It shows the fund has generated higher returns for every unit of risk. The fund's beta is 0.88, which makes the fund less volatile as compared to the market. Meaning, when market goes up or down, the fund does not react aggressively, and like all equity funds, it has gone through the drawdowns. The worst phase saw a fall of 60.19% and the recovery took almost 1.5 years. Compared to some peers, funds saw highest drawdowns and slowest recovery. Now, the question is, what type of investors is SBI Contra Fund suitable for? If you are an investor who wants quick returns in short term or prefers low risk, then this fund may not match your investment style. But if you are a long-term investor and your focus is wealth creation, this fund can be considered for addition in portfolio. This fund is suitable for investors who have at least 5 years of investment horizon, can handle moderate to high risk, want diversification, believe in value investing or contrarian approach, meaning those who want to think opposite to general market thinking and bet on undervalued opportunities. For investors whose objective and risk profile align with this strategy, this fund may be considered as a part of their investment planning. If this video answered your questions, like it and subscribe to our channel. And tell us in the comments which fund you want us to cover next in Fund Ka Funda. See you next time.